Before starting AutoCAD drawing or any plan and elevation of the structure, we should do initial setting on the AutoCAD, okay, so that we can make a precise measurement in the AutoCAD. So first setting to do, we should select the model. Either we are drawing in 2D or 3D, okay. So we are working with 2D, so we have to add drafting and annotation. But if you are working in 3D model, then you have to select here 3D modeling, okay, so that all the option of 3D command will appear on this tab. So we are using only 2D, so we have to select here drafting and annotation, okay. After that, this is our first setting. After that, we have to set the ordinate. You can see here this x and y ordinate. If we move this object, if we move this rectangle, then along with this rectangle, this ordinate is also moving. So I don't want to move this coordinate with along with this object. So what we do, just select this ordinate and right click on the mouse, and you will see here show USC at the origin, and check it, and it will move at the corner, fix at the corner, okay. So whenever we move this object, then it will not move along with this object, it will fix at the corner. So this is the second setting. After that, if we don't see this ordinate, then you can go on the view tab and click on the UC, okay. You can see this this ordinate has been disappeared. If we again click it, then it will appear, okay. After that, in third setting, what we do, we have to set the peak point. You can see this cursor. At the mid of this cursor, you can see a rectangular box. This rectangular box is known as peak point, okay, peak box. This peak box we have to set. To do so, we have to right click on the mouse bottom, and you will see option at this bottom, okay. You can see here this is the option bottom at the last of this box. So click on option, and you will see here different tabs. So click on selection, and you can change the size, larger and smaller the peak box, okay. This is very important, okay, and click on apply and okay. It is important to set the appropriate size of the peak box, because for example, if we select the object in the workspace, for example this, then we have to move this peak point at the object. We have to touch this object so that we can select it, okay. So if the peak box is small, then it will be harder to select this object. If it will be larger, then it will be harder to select one object if the two objects are close to each other, okay. So it should be suitable in size.